Hey guys, welcome back to Low RC. This is Jason. Today I've got the Axial Bomber out here at Crawler County, and it poured down rain last night and we got water flowing everywhere. But just got done aluminizing the Bomber. This is the third rig I've done now with the aluminum sheet, and it looks pretty darn cool. And we're going to drive it around on the course today, have a little fun. I also added some shock oil. The last run I noticed it was awful bouncy, and I took apart the shocks and it pretty much had zero oil left in it. So it ought to improve the performance of this truck a little bit today. But we're gonna have fun with this thing and just have fun on the wet and sloppy course here. And I'm going to admire my little handiwork here with these aluminum panels. They're really easy to do. If you wanna watch the Helamon video of how I did the panels, I'll throw a link in the description for that video. But on with the Bomber here today. This has always been one of my favorite RC cars, and a lot of people seem to like this one. A lot of people have this rig, and a lot of people are disappointed that it is discontinued. But hopefully they bring it back someday, because this is just a awesome truck, because it can do a little bit of everything. Now this is running a hobbywing Fusion Pro 2300 kV, so it's got some serious pep to it. And then of course it also has the ability to do a little slow crawling. Really kind of anxious to see how the shock oil is going to tame down this suspension today, because it was getting pretty wild. Got the Mickey Thompson Baja Pro X on here in 2.2. Little pep there in its step. Whoa, that wasn't good. So up here with the wet tires, I think I'm just gonna have to bomber it to get it up here. There we go. And that's what makes this thing so good. When they set out to create a rock bouncer with this Bomber, they really nailed it. It is exactly what it set out to be. It handles so well as a bouncer. I pretty much lost all 4 tires last time I had this out. When I got it out to do the work on it, all 4 wheel nuts were just barely hanging on. They were all about to fall off. So that kind of tells you how much fun I had with this last time it was out. This rig is a blast. Let's see if we can do a little crawl here. Oh, I also painted this fuel cell aluminum color just to kind of add to the overall look of the truck. I don't talk about it much, but we do have Hello RC merchandise here at the channel. If anybody's interested, we have t-shirts, coffee mugs, stickers, things like that. So let us know in the comments if you would be interested in any of those items or would like to see them. We can throw a post up or send an email or whatever. Let's go check out the river over here. Crawler Cat Creek is a raging river right now, so let's go take a look at it. And I just can't resist, I'm gonna have to drive in it. Okay, that's pretty cool. Water just rolls right off that aluminum. Driver and his co-pilot are a little wet in there right now. Yeah, the shock oil definitely has helped this thing. I can tell already it is not nearly as wild as it was before. Yeah, that definitely has helped out. This thing would not stick the landings like this before. That is just awesome. Let's check out the drag brake here, see if we can't creep on down here without going over. Fusion Pro, just an awesome motor. Just turn on that creep. And there it is. wasn't lined up very well to begin with, so that was kind of a skateboard move going down there. Oh geez, I'm still not doing well. Okay, it's gonna make it. Okay, I really can't resist. We'll see how this turns out. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna have to watch that in slow-mo when I'm done. Dry it out a little bit. Here's my Helamon fail. The Helamon could not climb this. The overdrive is not good on loose material. Red and all hung up there. Oh well. Skip that part. This thing's not actually geared for crawling, so you kind of see that Fusion Pro. You can see it moving almost tooth by tooth on the spur gear. But I could probably go to a much smaller pinion. I got a pretty large pinion in here. I could go to a much smaller pinion, and this thing could really have a great slow crawl. But I really like it how it is. I think it's got a little bit of everything. Alright guys, so I think we'll wrap it up right here. This thing was a blast today. It's just an insane vehicle. I love driving it. Looks great with these new aluminum panels. Oh, look at that, I even got a dent on the top. I can't wait to get some more of those dents. That's kind of the great thing about this aluminum. It is gonna weather and look fantastic, just like a real truck would look. So if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you soon.